Good morning, all of you. So today we are practicing a screening test. You have already given your OIR test. Now we have to practice one of the most important part of the entire screening, that is the PP&DT, Picture Perception and Description Test. In this test, I will show you a picture for 30 seconds. It will be a blurry picture, a hazy picture, because it is a test of your perception. So whatever you perceive in the picture, that is the right image for you. इसमें ऑब्जर्वेशन से ज़्यादा आपकी इमेजिनेशन और परसेप्शन पे ज़्यादा फोकस रखना है. After observing that picture for 30 seconds, I will give you 1 minute for filling that box and writing the action of the story. The number of characters you have seen and the background, their mood and their gender, that you will specify in the box. And आपके हिसाब से आपकी स्टोरी का थीम क्या होगा वो आप एक्शन फॉर्मेट में लिखेंगे. Then after I will give you 3 minutes 30 seconds for writing a story based on the picture shown to you. Whatever thought that came to your mind after looking at that picture, उसको आपको स्टोरी के फॉर्मेट में अपने शीट पे लिखना है. After writing that, I will take that sheet back from you. फिर आप एक सेमी सर्कल में बैठेंगे. Then one by one you will have to narrate whatever story you have written. So story लिखते टाइम और लिखने के बाद भी I will give you 30 seconds again to memorize this story. तो अपनी स्टोरी को भूलना नहीं है किसी भी कंडीशन में. वहाँ पे भी अगर आपका ग्रुप 2 या 3 ग्रुप के बाद आता है then you will get adequate amount of time. So टाइम में अक्सर होता है कि कैंडिडेट अपनी स्टोरी को भूल जाते हैं. So try to memorize your story again and again ताकि आप अपनी स्टोरी को भूलें नहीं. After the completion of the narration of the last person, the group discussion will start. In the group discussion, you will all will have to discuss and come to a common story. While discussing, always keep in mind that this is your own group. यहाँ पे ऐसा नहीं है कि limited seat और आपके में से कुछ का ही selection होगा. It is a group exercise, so perform like that. It is a discussion, not a debate. और मेजर फोकस आपका ये होना चाहिए कि कैसे भी करके डिस्कशन में आप एक कॉमन स्टोरी पे आ जाएं, रिगार्डलेस वो आपकी स्टोरी से कितना ज़्यादा मैच करती है या नहीं. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Let's start with the procedure. Observe the picture for 30 seconds. Give 1 minute to fill the box and write the action of the story. Okay, start writing a story. Okay, all of you stop writing. Collect your PPT sheets. Okay, I hope all of you have written a nice and interesting stories. So now coming to the second part of the PPT, we will create a semicircle, then we will perform a narration in the group discussion part. Okay, gentlemen, so now we have to start with the narration and the group discussion part of the PPT. Just number 4, start your narration.
Okay, gentlemen, as the picture was shown, I perceived 3 characters. Rima, who is the hero of my story, she start working in a remote village as a social worker, and she saw some children are working who are under age 14 in tea stalls and hotels. So she tries to stop that child labor. She gathers the information from parents and other authorities why this is prevailing in that district and the region. So she helps them with books and other things from her NGO, and she gives them information about Sarv Shiksha Abhiyan and other schemes of government, and get them enrolled in sarkari schools which were there in that area. And this way she stop the problem of child labor in that area.
So, gentlemen, in this picture I perceive 3 characters, 2 are male and 1 is female. Ramesh, who is 24 years old, who was a boy of Allahabad University. When he was in the early morning, when he was going to tea stall for a tea, he saw that a boy who is serving tea was around 13 years old. He calls her parents for why he is doing so, but they denied that. So he calls the local authority for that parents, and also calls the NGO to take their child for their better education and better futures, and also ensure that the locals cannot do this type of mistakes.
Hello gentlemen, my story purchase is Ramesh is a young boy, 24-year-old. She is a tea shop owner. There is purchasing money product. His mom is helping your shop and handling some customers.
Good morning, gentlemen. I perceive three characters in the story. One is male, and two is male, and one is female. Their age are between 25 to 35 years. Ekant is a architecture student of Dignity College of Architecture. During his lunch break, he was sitting in the tea stall, which is outside of his college. He was reading some newspaper. Outside of the stall, he saw a woman in quite tense mood. She was asking to the shopkeeper about the timing of buses. So Ekant helped her and told her about the time of buses and other vehicles of transport. In that way, and the shopkeeper also told her to she can wait here comfortably while her bus come. Thank you.
Good morning, friend. In the shown picture, I perceive three characters: two male, one female, age group between 17 to 30, and mood is positive. Prateek Singh, who is the main character of my story, studying in class 12. After his class 12, he was appeared to in the job for his further degree. One day, when he was taking tea at a tea stall, he studied in a newspaper for a job. He went to the authority and applied for that job, prepared well, and he got that job. After that, he gave financially stability to his family, and he continued his graduation with along that. After some time, after completing his graduation, he worked very well in that company and got a good post in that company after his graduation. Thanks.
Friends, from the picture shown, I perceived three characters, two were male and one was female. The main protagonist of my story is Satyam, who is a young graduate from a reputed college. One fine morning, while he was traveling back to his village, he stopped near a tea stall and also noticed the decrease in the number of trees from the past time. So he asked the tea vendor and his wife about the reason why the trees are less in number. So the tea vendor told him that the last month there was a cutting down of trees in a very large number. So he gave an idea of planting more and more trees in the village, which can be started in a respective homes. So this idea was told to Sarpanch of the village, which was later on used by all the villagers in the village. So Satyam was appreciated by all the villagers and Gram Panchayat of the village. Thank you.
Morning, gentlemen. From the picture, I perceive three characters: two male, one female. One male of the age group 18 years, and the other two characters are in the age group of 27. Theme of my story is that hard work always gives result. So Raj, 18-year-old graduate BA pursuing student, was aware of that his pursuing of higher studies puts burden over his family economy, as their livelihood was very less. So he decided to do some part-time jobs to support his family income. He also starts sitting on their shop in the extra time to support the income, as well as he start giving the tuitions to some village boys as well. His hard work also pays off. In the upcoming time, he also able to avail the various scholarship programs to support his education as well. Thank you.
Good morning to all of you. As per the shown picture, I perceive three characters. Two were male and one was female, all aged between 20 to 35. The action of my story is spreading information about the new vaccination and awareness campaign. Ramesh, a 22-year-old college boy who, while being in college, one day in his free time, goes to a nearby tea stall where he regularly goes to. And while having a tea, he going through a newspaper where he saw an advertisement in which a new vaccination and awareness campaign has been launched in his locality in the upcoming weekend. So he shared the same information with the tea stall owner and also asked him to go there with all his family. And and after returning back to his college and his locality, he shared that piece of information to those persons who are in need of that and who are unable to reach the newspaper or the other media from where the advertisement has been given. And by all his effort, very genuine persons are getting benefited by that campaign. Thank you.
Good morning, gentlemen. In the shown picture, I perceived three characters. Two are male, one is female, is between 20 to 30 years. My action of the story is help tea vendors in raising their business. Abhishek, an IITian graduate working in MNC's company, come back to his native place in his village. And the next morning, he went out for wondering what the changes came in last years. So he gone for wandering in his village. He saw a tea shop established there from since 10 years ago. He saw a woman rearranging their tea shop. Then he asked the lady what happens that the condition of your tea shop is like this. She told that the last 2 days before 2 days ago a storm hits their hut and everything gone wrong. So he supported him with some money with a 0% interest, and also suggested her some advertisement issue, and also suggested him to how to improve some foods in their shops so that they can increase their business. Thank you.
Good morning, gentlemen. In the picture, I have perceived three characters: one female, two males, age about age 22 to 30 years. My hero is Anil, and action is starting a business. Anil was a class 12 student. He want to pursue his study in higher education, but due to his poor condition from the family side, his family cannot afford his education. So he think to start a business by installing a tea in the nearby village. So he started his business by tea selling in the early mornings to evening, and the customers comes and enjoy his teas and snacks, anything etc. those who he sells. So one day by one day customers comes and enjoy their needs. So Anil feel happy, so happy by hard working in his business and progressive one day by one day, and so happy, and he able to also afford his family's needs. Anil was very happy by succeeding his business. So he was finally think that he was a great person and popularity in the locality by his hard working. Thank you.
There are two men and one woman. So let us fix it to the three characters: two men and one woman. And
Yes, and the background of the background of the story is more of a village, and also the hero is already on
in the background.
I agree with says number 72 that the picture has shown in a tea stall. So why not make a history in the tea stall progressive of
Okay, gentlemen, first of all, let us discuss who is going to be our main character. Okay, as most of us say that the person who is reading the newspaper is going to be our main character. So
I agree with says number 89 and want to add some points that Government of India is setting a starter own business from many ways.
the age of our main character is looking to around between 20 to 24. So let us assume he will be
we can make our main character the tea shop vendor who can be the
I agree with says number 79 that Government of India is also planning so many startups in nowadays.
Perceive the main character.
and now we should decide our action as students
So,
are
I
studying
think-
newspaper, so we can go with the applying for a job, And
Gentlemen, while being in a tea shop, he is going to read newspaper where many types of
But it is also possible that he is noticing the number of
should revolve around the hardworking person who is reading newspaper to pursue for the exam and also supporting his family in being in the tea shop.
Gentlemen,
or maybe we can on the outside can also notice that while he was returning back to his village, he is noticing that the number of trees is declining.
Going to back his home, and while returning back, while having a tea at a tea stall, he noticed tree cutting or
Deforestation.
Gentlemen, instead of wasting our time, let us make a common history. Yes.
Reading newspaper very deliberately, so there is a piece of information in that newspaper by which he can help those people around that tea stall or around that village.
We can assume it like the tea vendor is of something around 20-24 age, and the one who is reading the newspaper read some type of advertisement and ask the vendor that whether he is eligible or not, something like that.
Okay, let us round up till here. We have decided that there are 3 characters, 2 were male and 1 was female.
And our background is more of a village, whereas our main protagonist of the story is the man who is reading the newspaper.
Now we should go with the action of story.
Now since we have
And
decided
after that the boy got the
Okay, let us
Solution part of the story, we should also focus on the what are the reason behind the deforestation.
now gentlemen,
Yes, I do have the test number 04 that we can also find the reasons behind the deforestation and one of the varieties of the
First of all, there are 2 factors. One is why is deforestation taking
And
place,
second,
and the other is what is the solution to the deforestation currently.
yes,
So
gentlemen, now we have decided that so the problem of deforestation, the problems that shown are. And after that the boy will go to the panchayat and he will also inform
the panchayat as well as
other people.
the information which you will in the
Give them saplings to grow
Stop your discussion. Okay, all of you nominate one member among yourself who will get up and tell me the common story of the group.
I think chess number 72 will a good deliver, sir. Please, chess number 72.
Thank you, friends. Sir, from the picture shown, we perceive 3 characters in which 2 were male and 1 was female. The main protagonist of our story is Satyam, who is a young graduate from a reputed college. His age is 22 years. One fine morning, while he was traveling back to his village, he noticed the declination in the number of trees. So he stopped near the tea vendor and he stopped near the tea stall and asked the tea vendor and his wife about the reason behind this. So the tea vendor told Satyam that last month there was number of trees which were cut down in the forest. So he noticed this thing and he gave the idea of afforestation, that is planting more and more trees in the village, which can be started in the respective homes to the Gram Panchayat. So later on, this technique was used by all the villagers in the village, and later on this technique was used by the neighborhood villages also. Thank you.
Very good. Chess number 4.
Yes, sir.
नरेशन में नो है, डिस्कशन में यू कैन बी मोर इफेक्टिव. फिलहाल अभी बॉर्डर लाइन केस है, स्टोरी में डाउटफुल है, फिलर्स की प्रॉब्लम है, एक्सेंट का इशू आ रहा है. एक्सेंट मतलब कि शी को यूसे सी, तो ये एक्सेंट का इशू आता है. थोड़ा सा प्रोनाउंसिएशन पे वर्क करना है. स्टैमरिंग हो रही है, तो काफ़ी रुक के बोल रहे हैं इंग्लिश को. सो बी मोर कंफर्टेबल एंड फ्लुएंट इन द इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज. चेस नंबर 26. नरेशन में नो है, बॉर्डर लाइन केस है, डिस्कशन में पार्टिसिपेट उतना इफेक्टिवली नहीं किया. स्टोरी में डाउटफुल है. कंफर्ट विद द इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज अभी नहीं आया. इंग्लिश ग्रामर तुम्हारी पहले से काफ़ी बेहतर हो गई है, बट कंफर्ट अभी नहीं है. तुम्हारा वो कॉन्फिडेंस लेवल, हेजिटेशन जो है वो भी है इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज को लेके. सो यू हैव टू डू अ लिटिल बिट मोर प्रैक्टिस फॉर दैट. थोड़ा सा इन्वॉल्वमेंट और लेके, मतलब अपनी बातों को समझाओ थोड़ा ज़्यादा. इट इज़ अ स्टोरी. 44 अभी फ़िलहाल तीनों में नो है, प्रैक्टिस की ज़रूरत है। ग्रामेटिकल मिस्टेक, पावर ऑफ एक्सप्रेशन और कॉन्फिडेंस लेवल। सिस्टम में 54 नरेशन में नो है, स्टोरी में नो है, डिस्कशन में पार्टिसिपेशन था बट इफेक्टिव नहीं था। सो इंस्टेड ऑफ टेलिंग देम टू बी मोर सिविलाइज्ड यू विल हैव टू फोकस ऑन थोड़ा सा आई कॉन्टैक्ट पे वर्क करना है, एक्सेंट पे वर्क करना है, फ्लुएंसी, कॉन्फिडेंस लेवल एंड कंफर्ट विद द इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज। 68 नरेशन में फिलहाल नो है, बॉर्डर लाइन केस, डिस्कशन में डाउटफुल है, स्टोरी में डाउटफुल है, क्लैरिटी ऑफ वर्ड इज नॉट देयर, वर्ड तुम्हारे क्लियर नहीं है, थोड़ा सा वॉइस पे वर्क करना पड़ेगा। फिलर्स आ रहे, फिलर्स मतलब बीच में काफ़ी आ रहा है, सो वर्क ऑन द फ्लुएंसी मोर। देन 72 तीनों में डाउटफुल है। ग्रुप डिस्कशन में थोड़ा सा ग्रुप डायनेमिक्स पे वर्क करना है कि अगर आपकी परफॉर्मेंस अच्छी है देन गिव चांस टू दोज पीपल जो खुद से नहीं बोल पा रहे। लाइक जस्ट नंबर 114 वॉज ट्राइंग टू स्पीक अगेन एंड अगेन बट आप लोग ने उनकी बात सुनी नहीं। डिस्कशन उन्हीं 4 लोग में ज़्यादा सेंटर्ड हो गया था। सो यू विल हैव टू बी मोर आउटवर्डली कि आप सबकी बात सुने ताकि आपको ग्रुप डिस्कशन की जो कॉमन स्टोरी है वो कॉमन तभी कही जाएगी जब मेजॉरिटी उसके साथ फोकस में हो, ज़्यादा बोलने वाले लोग नहीं। यू हैव पावर ऑफ एक्सप्रेशन, एनर्जी लेवल वॉज क्वाइट गुड। ऑर्गेनाइजिंग एबिलिटी पे थोड़ा वर्क करना है, अपनी स्टोरी को लेके थोड़ा सा तुम कंफ्यूज हो गए थे बीच में। और लास्ट में आते थे स्टैमरिंग हो रही है, मतलब कि ट्राई टू प्रैक्टिस किया, बस फोटो को देखो और स्टोरी को नरेट करना शुरू करो प्रैक्टिस के टाइम पे, डू नॉट राइट। फिर इससे आप स्टोरी को बना के बोलना जब शुरू करेंगे तो स्टोरी को याद करके बोलने की आदत चली जाएगी, तो अपने आप की स्टैमरिंग इशू वहाँ से रिजॉल्व हो जाएगी। 79 तीनों में डाउटफुल है। फ्लुएंसी पे वर्क करना है, कंफर्ट लेवल पे वर्क करना है, प्रोनाउंसिएशन पे वर्क करना है, और जीडी में पार्टिसिपेशन लास्ट सेकेंड हाफ में ज़्यादा इफेक्टिव था, फर्स्ट हाफ में नहीं। सो ट्राई टू बी मोर कंसिस्टेंट इन दैट। 89 तीनों में डाउटफुल है बट अगेन डिस्कशन में ग्रुप डायनेमिक्स, यू आर ऑल्सो नॉट गिविंग अदर्स चांस टू स्पीक। एक्सेंट पे वर्क करना है, फ्लुएंसी पे वर्क करना है, और ग्रामेटिकल मिस्टेक थोड़ी बहुत है बट दैट इज़ एक्सेप्टेबल। 103 अभी नरेशन और डिस्कशन में नो है, स्टोरी में डाउटफुल है। वॉइस क्वालिटी और बॉडी काफ़ी लेड बैक थी, थोड़ा सा सेल्फ इंटरेस्ट आज कम लगा, सेम जीडी में भी यही हुआ। फिलर्स काफ़ी आ रहे, फ्लुएंसी पे वर्क करना और ग्रामेटिकल मिस्टेक थोड़ी बहुत हो रही, ही का शी वाली दिक्कत आ रही बेसिक। 114 नरेशन और डिस्कशन में नो है, स्टोरी में डाउटफुल है, डिस्कशन में थोड़ा सा और इफेक्टिव होना पड़ेगा। आपकी वॉइस सही है, सब कुछ बढ़िया, बस आप जल्दी शांत हो जाते हैं व्हेन नो वन लिसन्स टू यू। सो व्हाट यू विल हैव टू डू कि आपको लगातार थोड़ी देर तक बोलना पड़ेगा, तो अपने आप लोग शांत होकर आपकी बात सुनना अपने आप शुरू कर देंगे। सो ट्राई दिस नेक्स्ट टाइम। एनर्जी लेवल और इंग्लिश को लेके कंफर्ट, आपका हेजिटेशन काफ़ी कम हुआ है, एनर्जी लेवल काफ़ी बढ़िया है पहले से। बस थोड़ा सा ये कि आपके एक्सेंट की वजह से जो बोली है उससे आपके वर्ड्स की जो क्लैरिटी है वो साफ साफ समझ में नहीं आ रहा। सो वर्क ऑन मोर द क्लैरिटी ऑफ वर्ड्स की वर्ड बाय वर्ड आपकी बातें समझ में आए कि व्हाट यू आर ट्राइंग टू स्पीक। All of you will have to keep in mind that whenever it comes to any part where the conversation is involved, you have to focus on the non-verbal part of communication more. That is your body language and your voice quality. अगर आपकी वॉइस काफ़ी इफेक्टिव और भले ही आपके पॉइंट बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छे नहीं है, स्टिल द ग्रुप विल लिसन टू यू, बट आपकी वॉइस का एनर्जी लेवल इतना हाई होना चाहिए कि लोग आपकी बात सुने। बट ज़्यादा हाई होने से क्या होगा कि आप चिल्ला के आप अटेंशन सीकिंग वाला काम कर रहे हैं, तो वो काम भी नहीं करना है। जस्ट हैव टू मेंटेन दैट कि ग्रुप की वॉइस से आपकी वॉइस जस्ट अबव एवरेज रहे, ताकि लोग आपकी आवाज़ सुने और आप जो पॉइंट बोलो वो वैलिड रहे, और ग्रुप की कॉमन स्टोरी की तरफ एक डायरेक्शन में आप एक स्टेप लो आगे। सो दैट्स ऑल यू हैव टू कीप इन माइंड। कुछ लोग के यहाँ पे स्क्रीनिंग होने के चांसेस अच्छे हैं, लाइक 72, 79 and 89। रेस्ट ऑफ यू विल हैव टू वर्क रियली हार्ड, प्लस इन योर OIR एज वेल। ठीक है, एनी डाउट्स? थैंक यू ऑल।